What's up you guys, I'm back with another video. So today we're going to be installing a carbon fiber hood scoop from Anderson Composites, and here's the hood scoop. I already unboxed it. It's pretty good. So my old one that we're replacing is right over here, which is, you'll see that it's kind of faded already, and it's going to add a good touch to all the carbon I have in the car. Let me put you guys on this side. So what you're going to do, you're going to remove all these plastic tabs, which are pretty easy with the flat screw head drivers. Then I believe there's some screws, 10mm bolts, that you're gonna have to take off to release the hood scoop, and it should be pretty easy. I'm gonna show you the rest of the process in a time lapse, so enjoy this video. Okay, update you guys. So I took the old hood scoop. This is it. And the carbon fiber doesn't have this seal, which I'm gonna go to Home Depot and buy the seal so I can put it on this one. And also I'm gonna put some rubber things on the bottom so it doesn't. Oh, actually it doesn't need them. But yeah, so these ones stock come with like a rubberish, so it doesn't damage the scoop. And these ones, they have also like they have a metal, but I think I'm gonna put a rubber, and I'll show you once I get them from the store. This is it, and this is the old hood scoop from stock. And here's the engine. And this is how it looks without the hood scoop. I'll clean it and I'll show you the install and the things I'm gonna add to the carbon fiber ones. So this is the sealant I was talking to you guys that I went to the store and got it and put it on, because this one didn't have it for like the rain or something, because this one, the stock, does have it. It's thin, so I just went and bought this and put it on all around. And now let's install it. So this is the final product, you guys. Look at that carbon shining. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share it with your friends, and I'll catch you in the next video. So